stuck in the middle, like it's been snapped over. It's very low. Just want to see if this is in situ here, which it's not at all. Let me just move that away. You know, that's loose, that's been put there, that hasn't fallen off anywhere above. It's almost like a small archway. You know, I'm on my knees here. Yeah, that's a nice little find. Of our tracks that go under. This here is a very small, flat-footed track coming this way. If you see that, that's a very small little track. That's very interesting. You see the back of the heel here, and the toes would be here, coming across here. You know, it's a good little impression. It's flat-footed, leading to this archway from that direction. And that's the way I'm going to go.